The Lord be with you, good everyone. Today is 20th Sunday in Ordinary Time, and our Gospel will be coming from St. Luke chapter 12, verses 49 to 53. Jesus said that He has come to bring the fire in us. The challenge for us to keep the fire burning in our hearts. Keep the faith in us burning wherever we may be. We may be persecuted, and not everyone may subscribe to our faith, and not everyone will believe. If you come to know the truth, and if you have discovered the faith in your heart, keep it burning. Let the faith in your hearts continue to give light. Let the faith in your hearts continue to make changes. Let the faith in your heart continue to inspire people. Not everyone will believe, but at least we change one person at a time. We inspire one person every day, and we continue to keep the fire burning until the coming back of our Lord Jesus Christ. Let us inspire the world. Let us ignite the faith in the world. After all, we are merely participants in the fire started by Jesus. Be passionate in our faith so that Jesus will be made known throughout the world. God bless.